How to adjust audio volume in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Under Audio Editing Tools, you will find the Volume Booster option. Tap on it. Next, select the audio file you want to adjust by importing it into the app. Scroll down and you will see a slider for adjusting the volume. Drag the slider to increase or decrease the audio level as per your requirement. You can play the audio while adjusting to hear the changes in real time and ensure it reaches the desired volume. After adjusting, tap the Save button to apply the changes. The adjusted audio file will be saved on your device, ready for further editing, applying effects or sharing. These features make it easy to balance audio levels, enhance recordings, or prepare tracks for professional use. Now you know how to adjust audio volume in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.